welcome to my empty apartment tour.
Wanna be free of this heart.
Over here is the sitting area and we have our dining area over here. Guys, this is actually dated because it has not been cleaned, and yeah, maybe we're going to do that this week. But yeah, I'm so happy. And guys, you can see the sitting room has a lot of windows. You can see we have windows over here, over here, over here, over here. And there's even another window over here. You can come and function it. There's another window over here. So from here you have our visitors toilet. Because the sitting room is actually large. So over here is going to be like a dining area. And from there that leads us to the kitchen. Welcome to the gas kitchen. So guys, welcome to my kitchen. Yeah, so this is the size of the kitchen. Guys, actually about this kitchen, I actually plan on doing like an island here, or maybe like a wall pantry like that of the kitchen over, but I'm not so sure how I want to like set this up. Yeah, so this is the kitchen. It comes with it's going to come with this gas stove, or what they call it, and this, and I think that's all. The kitchen is actually quite spacious, and this leads us to the back of the house. So this is the back of the house, and I think I'm going to like play around with this, like put some artificial grass and something, just for a place where Jerry can actually play. I mean, Jerry and Jemima can both play over here. And yeah, let's go back inside. Actually guys, there's actually a big queue here, or queue over here. So this cake is actually used to the upstairs. Let's go guys. Actually, I have it in mind to actually decorate the staircase also as well. I plan on changing this rail, but guys, everything is not doing, like, I'm not going to do anything now. Like, I'm not doing anything like now. I'm going to like wait for a while, like use this first, then after a while I'm going to like change this thing. I want to turn it to like all this glass, and I'm panting because I can't use the staircase, guys. And put all this you know those lights, when you sensor light, I think that's what it's called. So over here is going to be like a mini lounge. So I plan on putting like a couch over here to do with this. So I'm planning on turning this like a lounge area, upstairs lounge or something. Yeah, so let's go to the kids' room now. So this is going to be like the kids' room. From now, like, so the kids' room will be here. That's what I plan on doing in this room. It's actually like a mini room. This is the smallest room over here, and it comes with this wardrobe, and there is a window over here. All thanks to God. And I actually have a nice view outside from here also. Like, yeah, the view here not that bad. The view here is not bad, and it has a toilet, which is going to be for the kids. Yeah. So this is going to be for the kids actually. Or the painting, I'm actually planning on turning this either to kids' room or maybe my mini office, depending. I'm not so sure I'm going to set this yet, but we have a room here, and this is the smallest room over here. Let's go. This is the second room, and guys, it's also quite spacious. Maybe this is going to be the kids' room for that one, I don't know yet, but the painting, I don't know yet, and it comes with its own toilet. So this is the toilet over here. it comes with heater, like auto it actually comes with heater and everything. And that's what I actually love about this. And it actually has its own wardrobe, guys, which is actually quite spacious. So I think the kids room, I'm not so sure yet. I'm not so sure what I want to make this room for. I'm not so sure. Yeah. So let's go to the master's bedroom. This is going to be the master's bedroom. It's actually 3 bedroom upstairs. So, yeah. This is going to be the master's bedroom actually. Wardrobe, guys. Yeah, I don't know if I want to, but I would just do like more furniture to just make it to this side. That's what I have in mind on doing for this room. Yeah. So this is the toilet. It's quite sizable actually. It's quite sizable. Yeah. It comes with shower, and we are told that we can actually put jacuzzi if we want. But I'm not so sure I want to do that now. Yeah, that's that. We have this balcony. So it has its own balcony, and this is the balcony. Yeah. Guys, this is going to be the end of this tour, this house tour. This is my empty apartment tour. I'm so happy. And guys, in case you're wondering, this house is in Lagos. Guys, more content of house will be coming, like, yeah, arranging, setting up, and the likes. Like, that is going to be what we'll be doing in this channel for this period, because yeah, we have to set up the new house. So currently we're actually planning on moving from Ibadan to Lagos, because in case you don't know, my husband actually works in Lagos and I'm the only one who lives in Ibadan, and I don't want that anymore. Like, I'm tired of that life, so that's why you have to like get this and just start another life in Lagos. But anyways, guys, in case you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I will see you in my next video. But till then, stay blessed. Bye, guys.
Look at me sometimes like